Good morning. Today is a very exciting day. Richard and me, we are going on a really cool adventure. First of all, we have to drive a really long way. I usually don't go that far, but yeah. So Richard is maybe buying winemaking equipment. So if that happens, that means we're gonna make some wine. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, let's go. Okay, that journey was really long one through the big roads and everything, big cities, and we have arrived. The house is pretty. Look at this lovely house. Oh.
Giù, le damigiane,
The press, look at that.
ti do tutto. Però il prezzo.
Guarda che fa la foto, papà.
Sì,
No, va bene così, faccio un piccolo video.
Ok.
Sì.
The equipment is good. Look at this door, it's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, we are entering the house and we are buying. Richard is buying the equipment. I'm just helping and yeah, really exciting. Okay.
Però.
Do you think we can carry or no?
Lo aiutiamo a tirare su. Sì.
Aspetta, sì, sì.
Okay, good. And then into the app. Oh.
Lo vuoi mettere in piedi?
Good. Okay. The press is in the app. It's absolutely beautiful. It's really lovely. Then we have the special thing that crushes the grape.
Sporca, ma è...
Look at that. Can I help you?
I'm going to go underneath there and across there, and
then back.
I think we'll do this one
Okay.
separately because it's very heavy.
Poi il resto...
Grandissimo.
Non so se riesci a portare via. L'altra...
200 e l'altra...
l'altra-
Oh, non importa, 200
E l'altra
sì.
questa
300.
io macinavo 5 quintali d'uva, questa qui ci stava.
Oh, that. Oh, it's beautiful.
I hope we can fit them all.
Oh,
in.
we will.
Put them upside down.
We will fit everything. It's gorgeous. Look at these bottles. They are beautiful. Look at this cork. My goodness. It's like mushroom.
Yeah. So Nothing has moved.
Nothing has moved.
Actually, that is so good.
It is good. Well done, well done. And we have our little break on our very long journey to have some gelato. Yes, it's open. It's open. Look at this place. This is my favorite gelateria on the lake. It is amazing. Look at the fish. Makes me want to make a fish pond in our garden. Look at that. That's so cute. Look at this. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. The ice cream is delicious. The fish is being really curious. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. I think I need a little fish pond. Okay, we have half of the way ahead of us, but we are recharged with coffee and ice cream and ready to go. Oh, we finally have arrived safe and all in one piece. We haven't lost anything. It's perfectly parked and everything good.
It's not even moved.
Yeah, I am quite
This one is
impressed.
tight as a drum. Beautiful.
At the house today, I have decided to work in the little bedroom, and I think I will apply the second coat of plaster. Yeah, that seems the right task for me for today. I just want to see this room nice and smooth, and actually the only thing I want to do is to paint it as soon as possible. And here in this room we will have external electrics in beautiful wire with lovely porcelain fittings. So yeah, the dirty jobs have to be done before that. So this is what I'm gonna do. And actually this wall is quite nice, and then this corner is fine. Here we have blobs and really like uneven parts, because you remember there was a huge hole and then I was breaking it up, and then it's kind of, yeah, it is what it is. I have, last time when I had a little bit leftovers of the mixture, I applied the second coat here, and it looks lovely. You can see the difference between the first coat and the second coat here. And then this wall is actually fine. Yeah, the part that is by the ceiling is kind of ugly, but it will be fine, I think, after the second coat. And the timber, the wood looks just amazing after I washed it yesterday. Now we can see the color of it. It's really nice and light. We might lighten it up with a little bit more of, with some just whitewash. Just lighten up it, just to lighten up it a little bit. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the result so far, and I will be mixing. I have 2/3 of the bag, so we'll be doing this now, and we will see how much I can cover with it, because I hope that the second coat will be much thinner, so I can cover more than one wall with the bag. have finished this wall. It is so much better now, though I think I will need third coat at the top, but we will see. It looks really nice. And now I will continue with that wall. Good, good, good. I think I have just enough to do, maybe not around the window, but this section of the wall. And actually I think this will be enough for today. Yeah, I think I learned my lesson. One bag is enough for one day. So I will finish the bucket and then maybe a little bit in the garden, and then I'm going home. The weather is lovely today and we have so many exciting things in little garden. Maybe I can sow something this evening, maybe not, we will see. I have finished for today and I have made this wall and almost the whole area around the window, this part, and then I have left this one to do, and then those two walls, which actually we will see, maybe it can be one day, maybe 2 days, we will see how it goes, but it's definitely enough for today. I'm closing the window and I'm going home. The mountains are looking gorgeous. We have almost no snow left on the top of the mountains. That definitely means that spring is here. And the rest of my dogwood tree looks gorgeous. Now I can't wait to buy more gravel and finish the path. That will be definitely this week's project. And then the grass looks really nice and green. We have first 2 tulips started. Look at those beautiful, beautiful tulips. Oh. And then what else we have? I don't know, not much. Nothing new so far. It's just the garden looks so pretty. I'm working on this terrace now, adding some more stepping stones. This is also this week's project. Bit by bit I will be finishing this.